Morning everyone. Hope you all are pretty fine students. Yes beta, today we will discuss chapter number 7 passive voice taken from our English practice book. And students, I hope that all of you have tried worksheet number 1 and identify the subject in each sentence and write it in the table here. Now students, let's match. First one students, in the first sentence students, subject is Nani Palki wala. Then students, in second sentence, subject is Nani. In third sentence, students, subject is the extempore speech. In fourth one and fifth one, Nani. And in sixth one, students, all difficulties. Okay, students. Now, beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 2. Read the statements above and write the numbers of the sentences in which the subject performs the action denoted by the verb. Means in which the subject performs the action means active voice. Okay, find out the sentences of active voice and then students write on here. You students write on number 1, 3 and 4. First sentence, third sentence and fourth sentence. Okay, here students, in these sentences the subject performs the action denoted by the verb. And now beta part B. Now write the numbers of the sentences in which the subject receives the action denoted by the verb means passive voice. Okay, here students, sentence number 2, 5 and 6. Second sentence, fifth one and sixth one. Now students, group A sentences are in active voice in which students the subject performs the action denoted by the verb, and students group B sentences are in passive voice and students in which the subject receives the action denoted by the verb. Now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 3. What is done and by whom? Get into groups of 3. Choose the name of any 2 centers of activity given below and list some of the things that are normally done at these places. One has been done for you. Yes, students, here 6 centers of activities given to you. Now students, find out any 2 centers of activity from these and then students write down, or we can say list some of the things students that are normally done at these places. For example, students, a hotel, a theater, a school, an airport, a sports center and a street. These 6 centers of activities are given to you students. For example, student, first one, center of activity is given to us here, a hotel. Now students, things done here. यहाँ पर बेटा क्या क्या वर्क होता है, कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं स्टूडेंट्स. थिंग्स डन हियर, meals are served, then students food is eaten, then credit cards are accepted, and then students guests are welcome. Okay students, it's given to you already. Okay, now students, let's move on to the next part. We can say students, if we choose center of activity like a school, then students we can write down things done here beta like this. Competitions are held, education is imparted, morning assembly is held. We can say students, different subjects are taught. Okay, friends are made. Like this students, we can write down the activities here. Okay, we can write down some of the things that are normally done at these places. Now students, try to complete this worksheet number 3 and write down sentences here. Let's move on to the worksheet number 4. The passive in headlines. Newspaper headlines are often written in the passive voice. Beta, newspaper के headlines जो हैं are often written in the passive voice students. Now beta, convert the sentences given below to headlines. Okay, sentences are given to you students. Now convert these sentences into headlines using passive voice. Now students, you should delete words like the, has, is, some, etc. Okay, delete these words. Article, the, then helping of has, is. Okay, then students, some words like some, etc. Okay, and beta, it is not necessary to say who did the action. बेटा ये नेसेसरी नहीं है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बेटा हम हेडिंग्स में ये चीज़ बताएं कि हु डिड द एक्शन, ओके, हु परफॉर्म द एक्शन और बाय whom the action was done. One has been done as an example, students. First one, students, a man has been struck by lightning in the woodland. Students, let's convert this sentence. Man struck by lightning in woodland. We have removed, students, article a, the, okay, and has been helping also, students, we have removed, okay. Man struck by lightning in woodland. Now students, let's move on to the second one. The police have busted a fake degree racket. Now fake degree racket busted, like this, students, we can convert this. Now third one, students, Sania Mirza has been honored with the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Puraskar. We can remove, students, has been here and article the also. Students, how can we frame now? Sania Mirza honored Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Puraskar. Then next one, students, Uttarakhand is facing shortage of petrol. Then students, we can write down like this: Uttarakhand faces petrol shortage. Okay. Then students, a book on oil-free cooking was launched by the famous chef Sanjeev Kumar in Delhi yesterday. So we can write down like this, students: Chef Sanjeev Kumar launched book on oil-free cooking. Like this, students, try to complete this worksheet. Okay, students, and beta remove, or we can say delete words like a, the, has, is, some, etc. Okay, students, and beta it's not necessary to say who did the action or by whom the action was done. Okay, beta. Now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 5. The passive in notices. Change these notices from the passive voice into the active voice. Okay, from the passive voice into the active voice, and one has been done for you. Credit cards accepted here. So now how can we frame, students, the sentence now in active voice? Subject, we can assume ourselves like we, then main verb accept, we accept credit cards, subject, verb, object. Okay, we accept credit cards. Then second one, students, automobile repair work undertaken. We can frame like this, students: we undertake automobile repair work. Then next one, students, part-time teachers required. We require part-time teachers. Okay, first one, we accept credit cards, then we undertake automobile repair work, then we require part-time teachers, and last one, students, we hold painting and cookery classes on Sunday. Like this, students, try to complete this worksheet. Now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 6. Get into groups of 4. Think of a place 1 kilometer away from your classroom. Think of the things that are being done there at the present moment and write them below. One has been done for you. Beta, we can frame sentences like this: roads are being cleaned. Then beta, shops are being opened. Then morning walk is being enjoyed. Fruits are being sold. Okay, like this, students, try to frame sentences. Okay, think of the activities that are being done there at the present moment, and then beta, write them below. Okay, write them here in the space provided to you. Now beta, complete worksheet 1 to 6 in your practice book and try remaining worksheets. Okay, complete worksheet 1 to 6 and try remaining worksheets of this chapter. That's all for today, students. Thanks and have a nice day.